fairy tail, so yeah, I could find my mask. I'm gonna see if I can go buy some today. That's a rusty one. And comment how many cars you see right now. Some of these are actually kind of cool. And subscribe if you are here. Please, thank you. I'm gonna be quiet today. studio at room 66.